Shallot Roasted Coconut Stew or Pearl Onion Roasted Coconut Stew or Ulli Theeyal or Bhuna Pyaz. Today we are going to make Shallot Coconut Stew or Pearl Onion Coconut Stew or Ulli Theeyal. The ingredients are 300 grams of shallots, a gooseberry sized lump of tamarind, fenugreek seeds around 2 to 3 grams, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, one spoon of cumin seeds, 15 to 20 peppercorns, three to four red chillies, 2 cups of coconut powder, grated coconut. Putting the tamarind into the glass of water and let it soak. Heat the pan and put in the fenugreek seeds. Put in the coriander seeds. And peppercorns, cumin seeds, salt, put in the red chillies, put in the coconut powder, salt, salt all the ingredients and mix together. Salt until the coconut powder turns brown. Now the coconut has become brown. Put in the curry leaves and salt for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take off the flame. Take the coconut from the pan into the plate and let it cool. The coconut and the other ingredients. And let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots or pearl onion and oil. Salt. Until the onions turn a golden brown. Keep on sauteing. Now the onions have become golden brown. These can be taken off flame. squeeze the tamarind which was soaked in the water into the water and keep it aside. Put in the coconut and the other ingredients which we browned earlier into the grinder and grind well. Pour in the tamarind juice that we squeezed into the mixture. Close and grind well. Now the mixture has been properly ground and is of the right consistency. This can be used to make the stew. Put in a pinch of turmeric powder and salt. Put in the mixture that we ground earlier into the onions. Saute the mixture with the onions until the oil comes out of the onion and the mixture. Now the oil has cleared up and come out of the pour in 250 ml water into the mixture and mix all the ingredients well. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Close and cook. Put in 5 to 10 grams of unrefined sugar or jaggery. This is optional. Mix. Close and cook further for 30 minutes. Now the shallot coconut curry is almost ready. Take this stew off the flame. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the mustard seeds. And wait for it to pop. Now the mustard seeds have started popping. Now put in the curry leaves. Take off the flame. Pour in the mustard and curry leaves which have been popped in the oil into the mixture and mix into the onion coconut stew. Now this can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final shallot roasted coconut stew or pearl onion roasted coconut stew or Ulli Theeyal. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, comment and press the notification button.